They say that humans are emotional beings. We go through several emotions all the time, and emotions change frequently. Bring you happy idioms in today's video with their meaning and usage to be used in daily conversation. Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube, and I hope that everyone is doing extremely well. On cloud nine, meaning thrilled, delighted, excited, elated. Usage. I was on cloud nine when I learned about my promotion, said Sheila. Like a dog with two tails, meaning very happy and excited. Usage. Akram's been like a dog with two tails since he got a promotion. Over the moon, meaning to be very pleased. Usage. I was over the moon when I heard that my grandparents were visiting me in my city. As happy as Larry, meaning a very happy person in good spirits. Usage. Learning about the arrival of my grandparents made me as happy as Larry, said Rita. To paint the town red, meaning to celebrate, to have a good time. Usage. Let's paint the town red this weekend, Sheila. Shall we? Asked Lily. To be tickled pink, meaning very amused, happy, delighted. Usage. I was tickled pink when my mother sent me a bouquet of flowers at my workplace. To be in seventh heaven, meaning to be extremely happy, to be glad, to be joyful. Usage. I was in seventh heaven when I was informed about Maria's engagement. To be as happy as a clam, meaning to be very happy, extremely happy. Usage. Rahul is as happy as a clam. He received his scholarship from a prestigious university last week. Life's a beach, meaning an idiomatic expression to express when one's life is going really well. Life's been wonderful. Usage. My life's a beach. I have nothing to worry about, said Sam. To be on the ball, meaning to be attentive, to be alert and aware. Usage. She's always on the ball and therefore gets every task done correctly and efficiently. On top of the world, meaning extremely happy. Usage. She was on top of the world when her mother surprised her with a puppy on her birthday. Practice lessons. I was on cloud nine when I heard that I would make a trip to Europe with my parents. Mira was on cloud nine when she was informed about the arrival of a newborn niece. My brother was gifted a car on his 21st birthday and he was on cloud nine. Our dog gave birth to adorable puppies and seeing them I was on cloud nine. My niece bought her parents a new house. They are on cloud nine. My friend dedicated a song to me on my birthday and I was over the moon. I was over the moon when I heard that my father was declared cancer-free. He was over the moon when his mother surprised him by cooking his favorite food. Sheila was over the moon when she heard that a promotion for her was suggested by the director of her department. Nathan was over the moon seeing his favorite aunt. Anand finally has a job. He's like a dog with two tails. Jay bought a new car for his parents, and they have been like a dog with two tails ever since. Jake couldn't believe that his wish came true. His siblings surprised him with a smartwatch for his birthday. He's been like a dog with two tails ever since. Kate has been like a dog with two tails ever since she received a letter confirming a change in job title and increment as well. I have never seen Joy like a dog with two tails in a very long time. He has got his loan approved by the bank and thus can start his business anytime soon. The new dress made Rita as happy as Larry, said her mother. I am as happy as Larry because I scored an A grade in all the subjects for the test. Neil is as happy as Larry because his older brother helped him with the assignment that he was struggling with for a while now. The project manager was as happy as Larry when he was told that his team performed exceptionally well on the project. The students were as happy as Larry on seeing their favorite teacher walking into the classroom. Harry and I are getting ready to paint the town red, said Amit. We are going to paint the town red to ring in Jez's birthday. Let's paint the town red, Sandy. We have decided to paint the town red this weekend with friends and very close relatives, said Arun. Ali and I are heading out of the city to paint the town red, said Afzal. Geeta was tickled pink to see a box of chocolates on her desk. The kids were tickled pink to see a room full of stuffed toys. Our dog gets tickled pink whenever he sees the ice cream van. Claudia was tickled pink to see her best friend at the party. We weren't tickled pink to see our ex-manager at the club. We were in seventh heaven when we were told that our sister ranked first in the competitive exam. Our child passed with flying colors and we were in seventh heaven. The mechanical team was in seventh heaven. They bagged few awards last night for their performance. I was in seventh heaven when I saw a plate full of momos. My dog was surely in seventh heaven when he was given a bone to chew on. All staff were on top of the moon when the CEO announced double bonus. The children were on top of the moon when their class teacher surprised them with an ice cream treat. My father surprised me with a car for completing university with flying colors. I was on top of the moon. Bensel won a gold medal. His parents were delighted and on top of the moon. Jill was on top of the moon because she scored the highest in history test. Munir was as happy as clam because he had his favorite dessert at the restaurant. The little child was as happy as a clam when his father bought him a big red ball. Mira gave her little sister a book and she was as happy as a clam to receive the gift. I was as happy as a clam when I bumped into my favorite teacher in the mall. Sana and her brother were as happy as a clam when they were told that they would sleep over at their grandparents' house over the weekend. Life's a beach for Sid. He has nothing to worry about, said Sheila. Life was difficult for me until I got this job. Now I can say that life's a beach. She was offered her dream job. Life's a beach for her. She has a lucrative job and happily married. Life's a beach for her. Ever since I learned to solve my problems, I can say that life's a beach for me. Sid looked extremely sick this morning. He was not on the ball. You got to be on the ball in order to follow the lectures. She really has done an exceptional job because Lara was on the ball throughout the workshop. Are you okay, Jay? You don't seem to be on the ball, asked Sonia. He's always on the ball. Wonder how he does it. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do hit the bell icon for future notification.